Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use free promo code in 1xBet. It will be easy to do. First, you will come and click here on registration. Now, you will choose the method of registration you wish. You will just come and click here by email, which will be the full registration, by entering all your information from here, right down to the promo code, which you will enter BOTV, as it will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning that, for example, you put an amount of $10, you will obtain up to $30 for that. Now, you will just accept the terms and conditions and you will click on register so as to continue. Now, as you did it, you will now be able to place your bets and also by claiming your bonus, as it will be credited based on the promo type or the games that you are playing. You can also play like casino, 1x games and all the rest. You can see bonus games here, all games that can be played for free and also that can be placed with your bet. So by analyzing the matches that you want to play, for example, you can come and play the matches that are already playing and those that have not yet started. So for example, you can come and click here so as to choose your bet. If I should take, for example, this double chance here, 12, you can see that as this table has come out, you will just come to your promo and enter your promo code from here, BOTV, before placing your bet. Now, by coming back to bet and putting the amount or a considerable amount of money you wish, now by clicking on bet after you have entered your promo code, and you will receive a bonus which will be attached to it if you are winning this match, and it is as simple as that.